In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the anime style filter on Snapchat. Okay, so to make this work, all you need to do is launch Snapchat, and then you want to tap on the search button next to your avatar at the top left. And then you want to go ahead and search for anime style. So I've searched for anime style and the top results are the ones that I want to look at. So tap on the first option and then that's going to open up the camera roll with the anime style filter on. If I go ahead and flip the camera, you can see now that I have the anime style filter enabled. So I can go ahead and take a photo and then the photo is saved, and then I'll have the option to send it to my friends on Snapchat, or I could save this to my camera roll, tap on memories and camera roll, tap on save, and then that would be saved to my camera roll, and then I will be able to go ahead and send that to my friends on either TikTok or Instagram or any other social media, Facebook and so on. So that is how you get the anime filter on Snapchat. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.